Hi, today let us discuss about the histology of cartilage. A cartilage is lined by a perichondrium which consists of a fibrous layer made up of type 1 collagen fibers and a chondrogenic layer made up of chondroblasts. These chondroblasts have the ability to divide into 2 to 4 cells forming a cell nest present in a lacuna. These cells can produce and lay interstitial matrix or ground substance around them. This is light basophilic stained in hyaline cartilage and eosin stained in elastic cartilage. This is condense around the cell nest to form the territorial matrix, after which the cells lose their ability to divide and form mature chondrocytes. These cells also produce elastic fibers in elastic cartilage and type 2 collagen fibers in hyaline cartilage, which are not visible in light microscope since they have the same refractive index as that of the ground substance. There is another type of cartilage in which we can see type 1 collagen fibers in bundles which branch. In between the branches of bundles, we can see rows of chondrocytes. This type of cartilage is fibrocartilage and it lacks perichondrium on either sides. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.